Alright, so I just wanted to give you my personal opinion about the mandatory 2020 antidepressant, insomnia, and anxiety program. And let me just let me just tell you this: if there's someone that I would trust to get rid of all the bad stuff that I have or that anyone has as a human, be it depression, be it anxiety, be it all that negative area of our lives, if there's someone that I would trust to help me improve that, it would be Kabir. He has been studying this for the longest time. He's been reading all the complicated science books that I personally don't have the patience or time to read, and he is really an authority, in my opinion, about the subject. And if there's someone that I would trust for this, it would be absolutely Kabir. Not only is he extremely knowledgeable about the subject matter, he is also a great communicator. And believe me, there I think there isn't someone with such good communication skills and knowledgeable in the area to really deliver the solution that you need. I know he's the number one person I would trust for getting this type of information and this type of education that's very hard to access. You would have to get into Harvard or I don't know what high level university and study I don't know how many years. And what Kabir has done is he has taken all this high level, very hard to digest information and put it into a very digestible digestible format. And this combination of him being very knowledgeable about the subject matter and this combined with his extensive knowledge about the matter is really, believe me, worth every penny of the program. And I highly suggest the program, and it's really good, guys. Thank you.